Hey guys, what's going on? Ervin here from TriForce Productions. Today's Wednesday, July 15th. It is 6:25 right now. I don't know why I'm up, but I am up because we are going to Typhoon Lagoon today. And we're supposed to leave around 10. And I'm up by 6 because I can't sleep. So basically, Dylan, Justin, and I, and Justin's family are going to Blizzard Beach today. It's not going to be a good vlog because we're going to be in the water most of the time, but I'm going to give it updates every once in a while, so that's going to be fun. So I'm going to try to attempt to go back to sleep. I'll catch you guys when I'm getting ready for the park, and yeah. Okay, so I started vlogging. There's Dylan on the phone.
Hey.
You can see him. You see his neck. Dylan, say hi to the camera.
Yo.
Alright. See, there he is. Where are we going today?
To Blizzard Beach.
Yeah, we're going to Blizzard Beach, guys.
Yeah, man.
As heard on our mainframe episode 2, which you go check that out if you haven't checked it out already. Do some self-advertising, but right now we're both waiting for Justin because he's the one that's actually picking us up.
Yeah.
So, and it's already 10:52. Where the heck is he? But I can't blame him because we're gonna be there till like 8. So.
Yeah.
Because I think most of the tourists will leave around 5, to be honest.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
Alright, he's gonna be back. He'll be right back, but I'm gonna keep vlogging. But so, the reason why we're doing this, or the reason why I'm gonna get in, is because Justin actually gave me a pass. I already told you guys that. I'm ready. Dylan, you're ready, right? He's gone. But yeah, I'll vlog more.
Stop.
Justin, Austin, and me. We're picking up Dylan now. Justin.
My name's Paul.
My name's Jeff.
Jeff Gordon.
No, my name's Austin, actually. Dylan, are you ready to party?
Now we just picked up this ginger.
Oh, I'm ready to party. Are you ready to party, Patrick?
Yeah, I'm ready to party.
I'm the only Asian in this car.
Are you ready to party, Mr. Krabs?
Yeah, I'm ready to party.
They should have heard us when we were doing GTA 5 heist.
Oh,
It was like, put the money in the bag. Put it in.
Yeah,
Put the money in the bag.
we did.
Put it in.
Even though Ervin was in the back, like getting the money, I was just all like with my shotgun. Put the money in the bag. Oh, were you doing that one heist with the
Felicia.
motorcycle?
Put the money
No,
in the
the
bag.
Felicia jump.
Put it
You
in.
guys don't want the one with the motorcycle?
I did that one already.
I haven't because I don't have enough people to play it with.
Yeah, because we were supposed to play with Future.
Dude, 6 more days till I get my
Ervin,
PS4.
I met Dylan.
So my PS4 had freezing issues, so I took it into GameStop and I exchanged it.
Yeah.
She gave me the Batman bundle and she
Oh,
left the
snap.
game inside of it. So I just got a $60 game.
And he's not saying squat about it.
Oh, damn.
I mean, it's
Why
60
would you say it? Like, what? Dude. No.
No, it would be funny like, oh, you're such a good Samaritan. Here's another game.
We're sorry. Like, that, I would love if that's how it worked.
Like I
Like,
said, I shouldn't have
Dylan.
the back door, but it was a
Dylan's like, put the money in the bag. Put it in. It's like, sir, you're facing the wrong way.
Sir. Who are you talking about?
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
hey, how you doing, huh?
Tony.
Your bike?
Tony.
Donnie, how you doing?
Look at this beautiful Florida road. Hey, we should go to Holy Land. Hey, you can find Jesus there.
I already found Jesus and I'm sitting here today.
Oh no, you found Jesus when you got that cup. That's that Holy Land we were talking about.
Yeah, I love the look of that place, but I'm just like...
That's actually all mirrors right there.
Yeah, I know. I love it.
And then the Orlando Ice coming up, right?
But only one of them's alright.
I'm gonna go on the Orlando Ice here. I'm scared.
I want to go to.
I'm scared to death of it. Like,
I heard it's like almost bigger than the London Eye.
It's just as big.
Just as big?
Yeah. It's like the exact same model.
Is it really? Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Well, I'm gonna go on with the glitch then.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm breaking down right now.
it's $25 to get on it, but it's like $30 to like rent like the little cabin or whatever. And they'll put like champagne and everything in there, and you just go up and you just enjoy it. And I'm like,
Right.
if I wouldn't even be able to enjoy the champagne if I was an adult because I'd be too busy having pee in my pants.
Can you install a bathroom?
I'd be all like, oh, shaking.
Cheers.
Where's the floor? Wait, hold on. I just noticed. Where's the fun spot wheel?
Up it.
Come on.
Okay. I didn't see it yet because I was looking at the end eye.
I saw the swing thing.
They finally fixed the like the electronic sign for you, so the universal like they replaced the sign. And it went while it's closing. What? Huh?
I haven't even gone yet.
Yeah, Wet n Wild's closing in the next few, I think next summer, I think.
They're moving it over closer to Universal.
Oh, okay. I thought they were closing it for sure. I was like,
No, they're wiping the one out they're at. They're moving it over here. They're clearing all the area away.
drops a bomb.
Yeah, they're keeping the rides, but it's gonna be all brand new
They're
parks
building
and
a brand
everything.
new. They want it closer to the Universal Park. I've been Universal Park.
Yeah,
By Universal.
no, but they have shuttles that are going over there, but it's taking like too long.
But now they're building it over here. See, that's why they're clearing away all these areas and stuff over here. They're gonna build it.
Fun spot with the Superman thing.
Besides them widening the I-4 corridor through here, they're also gonna be building a water park over here.
There it is. There's that White Lightning roller coaster.
Oh, yeah.
And that's Universal. Hey, boy.
That's next year. We're gonna get a pass for that next year.
Yeah, when I'm able to drive.
Sure.
I'm probably gonna be driving
Isn't it what, $179 for 2 parks for
a day.
the year? No, for the year.
No, it's 500. I think. I'm not sure. It's about the same price as Disney. Last time I checked. But I might be totally wrong though. That's why. Disclaimer. Universal. What's the last time you've been to Universal? Because last time I went was in 8th grade.
Last time I went to Universal?
Yeah.
8.
Justin never been.
Just never been to Universal?
I haven't been to this
You're right.
one.
You're right.
I've never been to this one. I went to
Hollywood.
I've been to when Hollywood was MGM. I went to there, and then
That's
One in
Disney.
California is way different.
yeah, I went to the California
They
University.
take you around on a locked car the whole
Yeah, I really love that.
That was the idea for the backlot toward Hollywood Studios, but they took that down.
But the Universal Studios, they take you to that travel car the whole
Yeah.
day.
I
With
love
actual like filmed areas too.
that. Yeah, like
Like that Back to the Future area.
and
all the rides are on the same tram with Jaws and
Yeah.
Flashlight.
Oh
and
man,
the
when
River
I was like when I went there, and all of a sudden like you see him and he just like grabbed,
There's that Orlando Eye.
and I'm just like, oh my god, I didn't pee my pants, thank you, but I was crying in my grandpa's lap, and I didn't stop crying until we got out.
There's that Orlando
And
Eye.
then everything else was fine. Yeah, 400 feet up in the air.
400 feet.
Half of that is where the slide.
Yeah, I know. That's half of that is the slide.
Where that little circle.
No, a quarter of it is actually the slide.
Yeah, but I loved it because then there was a
All the people from the U.S. who were on the plane and they did videos with them.
And also those Marine movers in Afghanistan with the dolphins.
So they started doing that after the
This is still gonna be copyright. Turn this off. But
all the monster guys from the Marines.
the Disney sign.
Dolphin cheerleaders, the Miami Dolphin cheerleaders. 10.3 miles.
We're gonna be in We're gonna be in the Disney sign here in a second.
We'll still just do the stupid.
Ready for the Disney sign? Move your face. Justin, where are we?
Oh, I almost didn't get it.
Taco Bell? Now we're at Disney World. Disney World!
thought it was Taco Bell.
Disney World. He's asleep. Why is Austin asleep?
He always sleeps in the car. Can we go to Taco Bell instead?
Yeah, who likes Disney in the first place?
Let's go to Legoland. We're here at Disney. This is Legoland.
I went to Legoland.
Oh my gosh, it was so bad.
I couldn't fit. Man, you can't fit in those.
Where are we?
No, we are at Blizzard Beach.
Where are we?
We are in Taco Bell. We are in Disneyland Paris.
Paris? Wow, Paris.
Bonjour, am I right, my fellow African Americans?
Bonjour, como te llamas?
Yo. Yo, Holmes, I don't want no Mexican.
I just spoke 2 different languages. 3 different languages, actually.
Oh, look at you. Bonjour.
Yeah, but I only took beginning Spanish, though.
Before I stand down.
Whoa.
I know. Dawson, get in. Draw a picture.
It's like 90 degrees.
Yeah, I know, right? It's gonna feel so good when we're getting that water in the water.
So we're heading out to the actual park now because we just parked.
Yeah, and if you wanna hijack our car, we are in row 9.
row 12.
Parking. Oh,
No, 13.
12.
13.
Oh, okay. We're in row 13, all the way at the back in a blue van.
Well, not anymore. As
Cool.
of this video.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. That's fun.
Hi. So this camera's not waterproof. So we gotta check back on it every once in a while.
The thing I hate about having an iPhone 6 Plus is that it's like having an iPhone 5S. Like you can't really find keys.
How much bigger is yours?
Well, I have this case.
Holy cow. I know, but still, that's the point.
Alright, we'll see
It's
you
like
guys
it
later.
feels so normal now.